Everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Now, one of the worst things that can happen to you as a fish keeper, or worse if you don't have much time, you just, enjoy the fish, looking at the fish in the evening when you're tired, and you feed the fish, you change water, and that's it. One of the worst things that can happen to you is actually experiencing your aquarium not having a crack, but you're just having a leak, right? Practically you treat the two of them the same way, having a crack and having a leak, because this aquarium is a friend of mine, right? It's a 30-gallon, right? It's well put together, but now I'm gonna have to actually take apart the base of it because it's leaking. You might wonder, but I don't see any leakage at the side. Well, the veranda right now, the back porch right now is really hot, so you probably won't see it at the side. But follow my hand as I point down. Okay, so you see here, all right, all of this watermark at the bottom of the aquarium, right? So I'm gonna have to actually pull apart the entire base of the aquarium, and I'm gonna have to strip off all the old silicone, and I'm gonna have to now replace it with new silicone, and it should be back again. Now you might ask, so why is it that you don't just take your silicone gun and you just run a bead across the 4 sections of the aquarium? Now, for those persons who are not familiar with silicone, silicone doesn't hold well on silicone. So therefore, if you should scrape aside the section that is leaking, and you should force silicone in the space, the silicone will hold the glass. However, at the 2 sides, eventually, the next couple of months, it will start leak again, because silicone, when it's dry, it doesn't hold well on old dried silicone. So I'm gonna have to remove the base of this aquarium, and I'm gonna have to actually replace the silicone. This is a task in which I'm gonna have to do with the old-fashioned way, using razor blade, and actually do all of that. So I'll show you when I'm finished what it looks like. Okay, stay tuned.